Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best gifts is probably one of the most sought-after items for anyone looking to surprise the special men in their lives without breaking the bank, especially as the festive season approaches and the pressure to find that perfect present mounts. We've scoured the internet to bring you a curated selection of top-notch presents that are not only budget-friendly but also genuinely useful and impressive, ensuring your gift-giving is a resounding success this year. Number 5. PARIGO LED Flashlight Gloves. Tired of fumbling in the dark? These gloves provide bright, hands-free light exactly where you need it, making any task easier. Looking for a unique gift? These are ideal for birthdays, holidays, or just because, suitable for anyone who appreciates convenience and cool gadgets. Designed with stretchy fabric and adjustable straps, these gloves offer a comfortable fit for most men and women, ensuring everyone can use them. From fishing at dusk to late-night DIY projects, these gloves are your reliable assistant. They're perfect for various activities and even emergency situations. These waterproof gloves are ready for any outdoor adventure, from camping and fishing to grilling and snow shoveling. They are a must-have for any enthusiast. Never be caught in the dark again. These innovative gloves illuminate your surroundings, making them an essential tool for work, hobbies, and everyday life. What we like. These gloves offer hands-free illumination, perfect for working in dark or tight spaces. They are waterproof and designed to fit most people comfortably. If you're looking for a practical gift for someone who enjoys DIY, car repair, or outdoor activities at night, these are a fantastic choice. What people say. The built-in LED lights provide bright, focused illumination exactly where your fingers are pointing, which makes tasks like car repairs or working in tight, dark spaces so much easier. They're especially useful when you need both hands free, no more juggling a flashlight or phone. The gloves are lightweight, comfortable, and fit well thanks to the adjustable straps. Number 4. Super Universal Socket Tools. Tired of searching for the right tool? Introducing a revolutionary socket that adapts to any shape or size. It's the only tool you'll need for countless tasks around the house or in the garage. With 54 hardened steel pins, this socket grips anything securely. It works with both standard and metric fasteners, making your projects faster and frustration-free. From home repairs to automotive work, this tool is your go-to solution. It's perfect for unscrewing various types of nuts and bolts, even those that are damaged or stripped. Looking for a unique gift for the man who has everything? This is an ideal present for Christmas, Father's Day, or birthdays. It's a practical gadget he'll actually use and appreciate. Its unique design ensures a firm grip, preventing slippage during use. Add this durable and versatile tool to your collection or give the gift of convenience. We're committed to your satisfaction. If you have any questions, we're here to help and resolve any issues promptly. Enjoy a perfect purchase experience with us. What we like. This tool is designed to adapt to virtually any shape, size, or angle, effectively replacing an entire set of sockets. Its unique design ensures a secure grip, preventing slippage. If you're looking for a versatile and time-saving tool for home improvement, automotive repair, or general maintenance, this is an excellent addition to any toolbox. What people say. It's a handy tool that can fit any size or shape of nuts, bolts, screws, hooks, and more. It's made of durable steel and has a universal ratchet that works with a drill or a wrench. It's perfect for DIY projects, home repairs, or car maintenance. It's like the Swiss Army knife of sockets, fits almost anything, from that rusty bolt you forgot about to the weird-shaped screw that came with your IKEA furniture. This thing is super handy, adjusts to a bunch of sizes, and saves you from lugging around a whole set of sockets. It grips a wide range of shapes and sizes, which makes it really versatile for different projects. The build feels solid and it saved me a lot of time hunting for the right socket. Number 3. Potty Putter Toilet Time Golf Game. Turn your bathroom into a mini golf course with this fun game. It's perfect for golfers who want to practice their putting even when nature calls. No need for a caddy, this set has everything you need to start playing immediately. Enjoy your personal putting green in the comfort of your own bathroom. This game is a must-have for anyone looking to sharpen their putting skills. It's not only entertaining but also helps improve your short game with every putt. Struggling to find a unique gift for the golf lover in your life? This is a hilarious and delightful present that guarantees laughs and enjoyment for everyone. Whether you're a pro golfer or just seeking a good laugh, this game is the perfect gift. It's suitable for golf fans of any age and skill level, making bathroom time fun and productive. What we like. This game turns any bathroom into a mini golf course, allowing for practice while you're otherwise occupied. It's a fun way to work on your short game and provides plenty of laughs. If you're searching for a unique and humorous gift for a golf enthusiast or anyone who appreciates novelty items, this is a perfect pick. What people say. This is a great gift for any guy who likes to grill. It has all the tools he needs to make the perfect steak. The quality of the materials is excellent. The tools are made of stainless steel and are very durable. It comes with a nice carrying case, which makes it easy to store and transport the tools. Number 2. Magnelex Magnexpert Magnetic Wristband. Introducing the Magnexpert Magnetic Wristband, the ultimate tool for any handyman. It's designed to keep all your small metal parts securely in place. Looking for the ideal Christmas gift for the man who has everything? This is the perfect stocking stuffer that will enhance any toolbox. Embedded with 15 strong magnets, it securely holds screws, nails, drill bits, and small tools. It's perfect for tailoring, sewing, and all your DIY projects. Engineered for practicality and comfort, its durable design makes it an essential accessory for any fixing task. You'll barely notice it's there. With an adjustable hook and loop strap, it fits any wrist size comfortably. This makes it a versatile tool for men and women, professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. This innovative tool makes a perfect gift for Christmas, Father's Day, birthdays, and more. Surprise the DIYer, handyman, or father in your life. What we like. This wristband is embedded with numerous strong magnets, ideal for holding screws, nails, and small tools right at your fingertips. It's adjustable to fit any wrist size comfortably. If you're looking for a practical gadget to make DIY projects, repairs, or tailoring tasks easier and more efficient, this is a must-have accessory. What people say. The 15 powerful magnets securely hold everything in place, making tasks much easier and more efficient. It's incredibly useful for holding screws, nails, and drill bits while working on projects. The magnets are strong enough to cover in screws or other magnetic bits, the Velcro holds very firmly. Number 1. Body Restore Shower Steamers Aromatherapy 6-Pack. Elevate your daily routine with our Aromatherapy shower steamers. Experience a spa-like atmosphere right in your own bathroom. Unwind and melt away stress with the power of natural aromatherapy. Let the soothing scents calm your mind and body. Find mental clarity and a sense of peace. These steamers are designed to help you recenter and refresh. Looking for a thoughtful gift? Surprise mom or any woman in your life with this luxurious self-care set. Whether it's for Mother's Day, a birthday, or just because, this 6-pack offers a wonderful way to show you care. Crafted with high-quality essential oils, each steamer provides a unique aromatic journey. Enjoy the therapeutic benefits. What we like. These shower steamers provide an aromatherapy experience designed to promote relaxation and stress relief. They are crafted to enhance your self-care routine. If you're looking for a way to unwind after a long day or want to give a thoughtful gift focused on well-being and pampering, these are an excellent choice. What people say. The product is well made and durable. It has a sleek and modern design that would appeal to most guys. The functionality is straightforward and easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.